Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on System Navigation. And as you can see here, we've got the option for which we are looking for. Before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer here, we've got the options connected with the 3-button navigation. So for example, you can reorder the back button and the recents, and also add this icon of hiding this bar. You can also manage the navigation dock or circle to search. Alright, so in order to set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this option on the left, and if you want to, you can go through the tutorial just tap on Start. I don't want to do that because I'll show you how to use the gestures in a second actually. So instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. We can show it just like now, or hide it just by tapping on the switcher at the top, so it's totally up to you which option you prefer. And here you can also customize the gesture, so you can slide across bottom to switch apps, double swipe to confirm the return, and this this option is especially useful while, for example, you're playing a game or watching a video. Google Assistant, you can turn it on or off, and again, navigation dock or circle to search. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you'll see this this arrow. However, as you can see, you cannot really elongate this gesture because you will open this additional bar. So just swipe and release, and we just got back. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate the gesture, and after releasing, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.